Why does every AI design tool make me look like an amateur? Whether you're running a local restaurant that needs professional menu designs and social posts, a marketing agency juggling 20 client accounts, a business owner who can't afford $500 per social media post, or an entrepreneur trying to launch your brand without breaking the bank, you've probably tried AI design tools promising professional results in minutes, and you've probably been disappointed. The images look decent until you see the details and text. Blurry, broken, completely unprofessional. The kind of text that makes your customers think this business used free software instead of this is a company I can trust. Every single time. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's finally an AI design tool that solves the biggest problem plaguing every other platform? Perfect, crystal clear text that looks like it was created by a professional designer. Not broken, not blurry, not amateurish. Professional-grade typography that rivals $500 per design freelancers. Hi, I'm Firas Alameh, and over the past 13 months, my team and I have been obsessed with one mission: creating the first AI design platform that businesses can actually use professionally. We've tested every major AI design tool on the market: Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva AI, Adobe Firefly. They all have the same fatal flaw. The text looks terrible. The details are flawed. You'll need to rewrite your prompt 1,000,000 times to generate the design that you want. Here's what's happening. Every day, millions of business owners, freelancers, and agencies try to use AI for design work. And every day, they run into the same wall. The AI creates beautiful images with text that screams, "I used free software." This isn't just annoying, it's business killing. Clients won't pay premium prices for amateur-looking designs. Customers won't buy from brands that look unprofessional. Your reputation suffers every time you present broken AI text. So, what are people doing about this? Option 1. They hire expensive designers at $50 to $500 per design. Problem: expensive and slow. Option 2. They use basic design tools like Canva. Problem: limited and template-heavy. Option 3. They accept broken AI text and hope clients don't notice. Problem: destroys credibility and limits pricing. Option 4. They spend hours manually fixing AI text in Photoshop. Problem: time-consuming and requires technical skills. None of these solutions actually solves the core problem. That's why we spent 18 months developing something completely different. Introducing Flaxa Studio, the first AI design platform with our breakthrough Perfect Text Engine. Finally, AI-generated text that looks professional, scales perfectly, and never breaks. But that's just the beginning. Here's what makes Flaxa Studio different. Perfect Text Engine, vector text overlay technology that creates crystal-clear typography at any size. Industry-specific workflows, purpose-built tools for e-commerce, social media, print on demand, agencies, and more. One design, every platform. Create once, automatically resize for Instagram, Facebook, Amazon, Pinterest, and more. Professional quality control, built-in guardrails that automatically reject broken outputs before you see them. Character Vault, create consistent brand mascots and reuse them across unlimited projects. Background Editor, remove, replace, and relight backgrounds with automatic shadow matching. E-commerce, Powerhouse, generate Amazon-ready product shots, lifestyle scenes, and marketplace listings. Storybook Creator, turn scripts into illustrated books with consistent characters across every page. Mockup Generator, instantly create product mockups for t-shirts, mugs, books, and more. Batch Processing, upload a CSV and generate hundreds of designs automatically. Brand Kit Manager, store your colors, fonts, and logos for one-click brand consistency. Since launching our beta 6 months ago, we've helped e-commerce sellers create professional product listings without hiring photographers. Social media managers generate months of content in hours instead of days. Print-on-demand entrepreneurs design entire product catalogs with perfect mock-ups. Freelance designers increase their output 10 times while maintaining quality. Local businesses create professional marketing materials without design experience. The difference? perfect text that actually looks professional. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Broken AI text versus perfect text. Social media creation. Watch Flaxa create perfect design with crisp text, e-commerce product shot. Now I know what you're thinking. I've tried AI design tools before, and they disappointed me. Flaxa Studio isn't like those tools. We've solved the biggest problem that makes others unusable for business. Here's the truth about the design industry. Professional design costs are rising. Good freelancers are charging $100 to $500+ per design. AI design is getting mainstream attention, but most tools still produce amateur results. Flaxa Studio gives you a 2 to 3 year head start before everyone figures out how to create professional AI designs. The businesses using this now are building competitive advantages, while others struggle with broken text and expensive freelancers. Normally, to get features like Flaxa Studio, you'd need professional designer, $200 to $500 per design. Multiple software subscriptions, $300 plus per month. Time learning complex tools, hundreds of hours. That's $3,000 plus per month minimum for professional design capability. But because this is a limited launch offer, you can get Flaxa Studio today for just a small one-time fee. Not per month, one time. I'm so confident Flaxa Studio will transform your design capabilities. I'm offering a 14-day money-back guarantee. Use it for a full month. Create professional designs. See the difference Perfect Text Engine makes. If you're not completely satisfied, just email us and we'll refund every penny. This special launch price is only available during our initial release. Once we move to regular pricing, Flaxa Studio will cost $97 per month. Why the low launch price? We want to get this in the hands of serious business owners who will actually use it and provide feedback. But this price won't last long. Look, you have two choices. Choice 1, keep struggling with expensive designers, broken AI text, and amateur-looking designs that hurt your business. Choice 2, get Flaxa Studio today for $47 and start creating professional designs that actually help you make money. The difference between amateur AI and professional AI design isn't just visual, it's financial. Professional designs command higher prices, build trust with customers, and grow businesses. Amateur designs do the opposite. Click the button below to get Flaxa Studio for $47 before this launch price expires. Your business deserves professional quality designs. Now you can create them yourself. Remember, this is a one-time payment for software that replaces thousands of dollars in design costs. The Perfect Text Engine alone is worth 10 times this price. This launch pricing ends soon. Don't come back tomorrow and find out you missed the discounted price forever. Get Flaxa Studio now.
Welcome to the official demo video of Flaxa Studios. As you can see right here, from a quick glance, we've got multiple different tabs for you to navigate through the system. For example, if you want to go through any of the left creators, you can put the keyword right here, for example, social post, and it will pop up the designer section of it, and you'd go directly to it and start working. Now, as you see right here, we've got Nano Banana, which is a Gemini trendy thing that you all know of. We've got it integrated right here. What you can do is basically take any of these sections right here and replace them with any image you want. For example, if I want to do that guy off place, actually, I did it already, so we can check it right here. So that's me replaced with him. And even my tattoo is right here, which is really nice. I actually took the tattoo exactly as it should. Now, here we've got multiple different tools. There's over 75 tools in Flaxa Studios. Here we got the design studio section, art creator, social post designer, photorealism, t-shirt designers if you sell t-shirts, prompt to image, logo maker, wildlife art, next gen image studio, poster creator, pattern maker, sticker studio, AI influencers as well. In this section, we've got coloring sheets, partner sketch, YouTube thumbnails, kids tales, graphic icons, pattern makers, scripted stories as well, animal portraits, consistent character, storybook, personal tales, wall art canvas, cover designer. And we've got as well AI assistants. AI assistants actually help you with your tag. They're there to assist you as agents, so they don't do the full job. They assist you with the job. Consistent characters, you got 2D and 3D art styles, realistic photos, and multi-consistent characters as well as an AI art creator to create canvases, any kind of art, really. Let's go through some of the popular sections right here. Let's go with prompt to image. For example, let's place a car that is branded by Monsuri in Monaco with a license plate one, number one, and a nice blondie woman next to the car. Let's do that. I just came up with it. Private quantity was one, and let's generate. Now, there's something called prompt enhancer. And if you press that, this will be changed and enhanced for a very detailed prompt, which we placed in here. But I don't want to do that right now. I want to keep it simple just to show you how powerful the image is going to be out of this simple prompt, like easy human kind of prompt. So let's do that. And it's generating. Now I'll give you the story about that one. So now it generates and processes, and we'll wait for a bit and look at that, guys. As you can see right here, if you see, let's go zoom in. So it got me a car in Monaco, a luxury car, and this lady right next to it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful outputs. And our system is always enhanced and getting enhanced by our team. The outputs are gonna be even better. Now, if we go through, for example, let me go through this tool, the Pat tool, because I like it. Where was it? Animal portraits. Okay, a dog with fancy cigar, all serious, and with Ray-Ban sunglasses on. Now, here, high quality clothing. Let's do superhero. Let's do realistic. Let's do castle, and let's generate the portrait. Now, in this section, you're gonna see this guy. So I generated this guy under royal, having a cigarette in his hand, and I look the output, and I generated this guy too with his cigar. And look at that; it looks amazing. Right here, this is being generated as we speak. And look at that guy, superhuman, next to a castle with a cigar and Ray-Bans on. This is crazy, isn't it? Perfect. There's a lot of sections here, a lot of different tools, a lot of different ways to generate images that serve your business and your agency and serve your customers as well. There is all the tutorials right here to show you everything. But as you can see, we simplified everything for you to generate amazing outputs. And you can regenerate them. There's no limit. Here we got the agency reseller section. If you got into the bundle, here is all your projects, here is your teams, and here is your folders. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of them. I actually created that. So I gave an out input, a prompt, and told the tool to create me two luxury branded cars under Mansouri in Dubai next to Burj Khalifa. And that's what I got. Future of Luxury arrives, Dubai 2090 Mansouri. As you can see right here, that's the M in the middle. So this is modified by Mansouri in 2090, apparently. I hope you're happy with the demo, and we'll see you on the inside.